Okay, let me stop saying that soon, because I'm going to say some shit. Because are you ever going to drop flex? Oh. He said, I'm doing me. I know you out with them bitches at night when you say you sleep. You think you pushing my buttons, little nigga, but I'm pushing P, yeah. And we could pull together. Now I gotta flex on my baby, hit up the mall together. But you done fucked up, trying to blame me. I was your lady and you was my baby, I hope that you know. But now you moving shady and I'm feeling crazy, so you gotta go. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I turned your phone off because it was ringing. Not off. I'm talking about like I turned the ringer off. So you probably won't hear it. Can you not get in my live like that again, please? I didn't get it. You did. They said, stop singing, please. What the fuck? I sound bad? I just sound bad just